我今年22歲，呢個係我嘅遺書。其實我好驚死咗之後見你唔到，但我冇辦法唔企出嚟。
Street battles are the new normal in Hong Kong, and they're getting more violent by the day. Police have fired live rounds on protesters, and they have ramped up arrests. Hardline protesters have become emboldened by the crackdown. They return week after week, ready to fight. They come armed with petrol bombs, masks, and letters. Farewell notes.
我女朋友 Chase，
In case they don't return from the streets.
我依家好多未知之數，但係我個心好亂，我真係好驚出事。你會覺得我對你不負責任啦，還是會以我為榮啊？
爸爸媽媽，當你發現呢封信嘅時候，可能我已經被捕或者死咗。我一直嘗試努力做到你哋口中所講嘅有用嘅人，讀書工作。但我更加想做嘅係一個有良知嘅人，而唔係縮頭縮尾。我唔話唔驚就係呃你，但我哋都唔可以放棄。我今年24歲，對比出面一直抗爭嘅學生，佢哋好多都係17、18歲。我覺得我已經係一個成年人。
爸爸你極之反對我出嚟去搞咩抗爭，又你話身為人父都希望自己嘅仔女平平安安。